Magandang hapon po ng December 18, 2023 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng December 18, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Monday, December 18, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for December 18, 2023 Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 500 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 8.9 million pesos for December 18, 2023 Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for December 18, 2023 Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.